So imagine that you're given a parrot. This is just a parrot. It doesn't have any special knowledge or wisdom or insight. It's bird-brained after all. It recites things parrot fashion without any understanding or comprehension. It's a parrot. However, this particular parrot is poisoned. And this poisonous parrot has been specifically trained to be unhelpful to you, continuously commenting on you and your life in a way that constantly puts you down, criticizing you. For example, the bus gets stuck in a traffic jam and you arrive at work 5 minutes late. The parrot sits there saying, "There you go again, late. You just can't manage to get here on time, can you? So stupid. If you'd left the house and got here early, got on a bus, you'd have arrived with loads of time to spare and the boss would be happy. But you, no, why? You can't do it. Useless, waste of space, absolutely pathetic." How long would you put up with this abuse before throwing a towel over the cage or getting rid of the parrot? Yet, we can often put up with the thoughts from this internal bully for far too long, decades. When we hear that parrot, believe that parrot, and naturally get upset by what it's saying about us, it then affects the way we live our lives, the way we behave towards other people, how we are, what we think about others, what we think about the world, and how we think and feel about ourselves. We can learn to use the antidote. Just notice that parrot and its silly parrot squawking voice. Cover the cage. There's that parrot again. Do I have to listen to it? It's just a parrot. Remember who you are, what you stand for, and what you want to happen next, and what you can do to maybe make that happen. Then go do it. Let the parrot sit in the dark, squawking to itself. It'll eventually get tired. If you're not responding to it, it'll just give up. You'll notice it less and less. It will run out of steam in a few minutes. Its poison, as your antidote overcomes it, will just die down. Or perhaps the parrot will fly off to wherever poison parrots go. This exercise is quite similar to the last one. You give it that silly parrot squawking voice. You get this image in your head. You get caught up in the image and the voice. You're stepping back from the content of the thought. And then it's having less meaning and less power over what you do. You are a person who knows that they're having a thought rather than you are stupid, useless, pathetic, whatever.